Welcome to the picturesque and stunning Sandymouth Beach. So we finally ventured into the Cornwall area, or Cornwall, as I think the locals pronounce it. That's what's on the signs. It looks like we could possibly be in for a sunset. So let's go check it out. Well, this was supposed to be my day of editing videos, so I came and parked up at Sandymouth Beach. National Trust car park, always handy when you remember. So when it's as glorious as this, I couldn't resist popping down. Okay, I'm a day early, but we'll see what we get. So when I came down earlier, I had a little nosy around, and I found a little stream that creates the waterfall that goes over the edge of this rock face here, and it's really pretty. So what I'm hoping is that we get a sunset and it goes down through this stream. So now that I've got here, the sun's clearly going to set a little bit too far over to the west there. It's not going to fill in that gap. I'll see what else I can find. I'll get down on the beach, I expect. That's the stream done. Good-o. Time to get over to see if we can do anything with the bay itself. Sorry, the beach itself. Hopefully it's going to be a blazing sunset. Oh, fingers crossed. Time will tell. Evening. Right. Now, unfortunately, my pocket died, so I have taken a few photos. We're getting some gorgeous light. See that on the rocks? Look at that. Look at that. Glorious. Probably a bit blown out, aren't you? But yeah, we are getting some stunning light. It's looking good for a sunset. I just hope I can get it. Well guys, it looks like we're getting a phenomenal sunset. Wow. Look at that. Oh, all my hopes come true. Well, I'm hoping to get one more wave in and then we are done, but man, it's so good. So yeah, ran round like an idiot, as you do, and I went over here. So Hopefully I can get one more. But I've got no light on the rocks now, so it's just the sky really that you're looking at. This is awesome. Well, that was epic. That was a hell of a sunset. Wow. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, guys, as much as I did. And it's dark now, and I do appreciate that my Osmo Pocket died and I'm now filming this on a phone. So yeah, thanks for joining me. And I just realized I wasn't wiping my lens. Ooh.